That's a great question, because a shift in mindsets is important to implement ideas and change, because our beliefs and attitudes shape our actions and behaviors. If we are resistant to change or unwilling to consider new ideas, it can be challenging to implement innovative solutions or make significant progress towards achieving our goals.
Yeah, a mindset shift involves challenging our existing beliefs and assumptions and opening ourselves up to new perspectives and ideas. By doing so, we become more receptive to change and more willing to consider alternative approaches. This, in turn, can lead to more effective problem solving, greater innovation, and a higher likelihood of success.
Moreover, a mindset shift can help to overcome psychological barriers that can sometimes impede progress. For example, fear of failure, self-doubt, or negative self-talk can all be significant obstacles to implementing new ideas or making changes. But by adopting, for example, a growth mindset, so different mindset, this emphasizes learning, resilience, and adaptability. So by using a different mindset, we can overcome such barriers and approach challenges with a more positive and proactive mindset.
Mm. And ultimately, a mindset shift is essential to implement ideas and change because it enables us to approach problems with a more open and creative mindset, overcome psychological barriers, and make progress towards achieving our goals. Yeah, by adopting a growth mindset and being open to new ideas and perspectives, we can be more effective leaders, problem solvers, and agent of change.
So now that we understand why a mindset is so important in general when you want to change or improve, let's see why a mindset is especially important for our regeneration. Why is it important in this context? So a shift in mindset here is crucial to overcome climate change, for instance, and implement a regenerative way of life, because it requires a fundamental change in the way we think about our relationship with the environment. The problems that are being tackled by regeneration, such as climate change, are complex and multifaceted problems, and they require us to think beyond just our own immediate needs, and they also require us to consider the long-term consequences of our actions.
And our current mindset, which is often focused on economic growth and individualism, has led to the overuse of resources and the degradation of natural ecosystems. To address climate change, we need to adapt a more holistic approach that recognizes the interconnectedness of all living beings and the need for sustainable practices.
Yeah, and such shift in mindset would involve recognizing that our actions have a significant impact on the planet and that we have a responsibility to act in a way that promotes environmental and other forms of sustainability. So this also involves understanding that climate change is not just an environmental problem, but also inherently a social and economic issue that does require collective action and collaboration.
And in the end, a shift in mindset is essential to overcome climate change because it enables us to see the problem in a new light and to develop innovative solutions that address the root causes of the problem. Without this shifting in thinking, we may continue to operate within a system that perpetuates unsustainable practices, leading to further environmental degradation and long-term consequence for future generations.